Just ordered these from, I guess, Web Bike Japan, from Tokyo. They are the Keyster Mikuni rebuild kits for Z1A and B. They're crazy. They're so Japanese. I mean, each one is for one carburetor, one Mikuni. And inside is this bento box of carburetor parts. You got a variety of jets, screws, needles, gaskets, all done to Mikuni, official Mikuni specs. And I don't know what any of this information means, but I've never seen anything so perfect. These are $29 each, plus international shipping, plus Trump's wonderful tariffs. Cool.